Are you tired of manually filling out forms and clicking buttons all day? Robotic Process Automation can change that. RPA tools like Automation Anywhere and UiPath can automate repetitive tasks. Start by identifying a simple desktop app you use daily, like a calculator or notepad. Use a tool like AutoIt to record your actions. Then export the code to your RPA platform. For example, automate a daily report by using Python to scrape data and fill out a template. You can also use RPA to automate data entry tasks, like copying customer info from an email to a CRM system. Tools like Automation Anywhere's IQ bot can even help with document processing. Subscribe now to AutoTube for more automation tips and tricks. And in our next video, learn how to automate your first web app with Selenium.